are we going today, Marco?
Hi
Are you
there,
going to
designer friends. Welcome to SAS Interiors. Today we are out on a little excursion. We just pulled into IKEA. Join us as we brainstorm on how we can incorporate these finds into our homes. It's been a while since I've been here, but there are a few things I'm in need of. So I figured we could spend some time together, shopping, exploring the store. I always love just discovering what's new and what's available, so we're going to have a look around. But specifically, I want to focus on some organization solutions for my kitchen and probably the laundry area, living room area. Oh, it's never ending, right? Yeah, those areas that could use some love and attention. So we'll keep an eye out for those specifically, but then I also want to look out for some decor
push
pieces as
to
well for a
open?
couple of upcoming makeovers that I have planned. Something like this cabinet would be perfect in our kitchen with all these drawers for extra storage. Oh my gosh, this cabinet would be perfect.
Ito lang kailangan ko eh. Ito, sa kitchen. That's all I need. Base mo doon sa rug. 6 by 8. Always such a fan of the way IKEA uses different baskets and folders to add extra storage. 1999 Vax blanket baskets always just immediately add such a cozy and textural element to a space. Banig. I would totally get this sideboard console for decorative purposes, but I need some storage as mentioned. Debating if I should change our dining table to a round one like this.
279.
What do you think? $32. So it's a storage sideboard that is what I'm really in search of. Something like this one. Oh my goodness, it's such a beautiful wood finish. And those drawers, oh wow. But it's too low though. Oh. Stuff. This might work if I have two of them. Oh, but I want to have some glass open shelving-ish so that I can put some decorative items as well. I am so confused. This is also another option. Just go with a full height cabinet with glass doors, or half open, half hidden. Or maybe I can just add a wall cabinet on top of my existing sideboard. 7 by 13. This has me all nostalgic. We used to own something like this cabinet. Oh, this reminds me of old glass doors, sliding doors. Doesn't it? when we finally redo our kitchen, I'm definitely going to need to come back here. I love the countertop setup that they have here. Don't think that we have room for a double sink, but I love that way that they added those drawers for extra storage. And drawers. This is also an option for $129.99, but why will I get that if I can get a much nicer one for the same price? That's so cute. $79.99 for this 32-inch diameter. $149. Something like these would also find a place somewhere hidden because they're plastic. This would be perfect for a DIY Ikea project. Bigat eh. Cast iron, 11-inch. Made from cast iron, which spreads heat evenly. It keeps the pan warm for a long time and evenly browns food. Well, this is my lucky day. I've been wanting a nice waffle texture towel to replace our old ones like this. This is definitely coming home with me. Rail, extendable rail. $12 by $30. $9.99. I would rather get this $14.99. Linen. Or the velvet. Oh, this is nice. Sᴛýʟᴇ, $8.99. Yep, that's what I will. $12.99. $16.99 for the basket. Let me know in the comments if you've been to IKEA recently and what your favorite new items are. Also, if there's anything specific you're on the hunt for, let me know and I'll keep an eye out for it. Air purifier and table with air purifier. these organic basket lamp shades are giving me the vibes. Oh, but these white pleated shades though, giving me that something something I can't explain. And it's only $9.99. Perfect for projects. $59 for a 31.5 inch. An elephant, 44. $24 for that one. Not bad. Elephant, I'll do a project. $2.99. It's on sale. So tell me, what caught your fancy? I always check out these as is section. You'll never know what you're gonna find. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share with your friends and family. My name is sᴛ. Thank you for stopping by. Love and light to all. Until the next one. Bye.